Very good afternoon to all of you. All of you can hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Yes,
afternoon.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Good
I hope that
afternoon.
all of you are fit and fine. Yes? You are taking care of yourself,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
and you people are revising the work also. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
जितना
ma'am.
भी हमने किया है, I think all of you are revising it and you have to revise it, okay?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you have done that work preparation of your timetable.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So how many? I think all of you have still some students are joining. So we will wait for 2-3 minutes more. After that, we will start our class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So you are getting interest in Excel or not?
Very
Yes,
much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When you will know all the formulas and function, na, then you will. When I say, I can say that when you will become master of Excel, na, then the calculation work will be so easier for you people that यू विल फाइंड कि वाओ मैम हमने तो इतनी जल्दी इतनी लॉन्ग कैलकुलेशन का वर्क इतने कम टाइम में करके उसको ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया. ओके.
Yes,
दिव्या
ma'am.
has joined now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think all of you have done your homework which I have given to you. Timetable.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
Yes,
those
ma'am.
ma'am.
who are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
giving any response, what
Yes,
about them?
ma'am.
Only few students are saying yes, and what about others? आपको जो भी यहाँ पे वर्क मिल रहा है ना, यू हैव टू डू इट. ठीक है, टाइमली. और आप अपने पास उसकी सॉफ्ट कॉपी संभाल के रखेंगे. ओके. तो आपका भी जो पहला
Okay.
वर्क हमें एक्सेल में मिला है, दैट वाज हाउ टू क्रिएट टाइम टेबल. सो कीप दैट सॉफ्ट कॉपी विथ यू. एंड देन आई थिंक all of you have joined now. Nobody is waiting. Okay. Two students more, Krishna and one more. आप लोगों को कितना टाइम लगा? आपने टाइम देखा कि आपको एक टाइम टेबल प्रिपेयर करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा अपने क्लास का? यस, एनीवन वांट टू शेयर?
Yes, ma'am.
कितने
Yes,
टाइम
ma'am.
में आपने बनाया?
10 minutes.
Within 10 minutes. वेरी गुड. और कोई शेयर करना चाहेगा?
Yes, ma'am. Like in between 10 to 15 minutes. Utna.
ओके. कृति. यस कृति.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, now I think all of you have joined. Now we will start our class. Okay, now first of all, let me share my window. Yes, all of you can see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, beta. Thank you. Now, today, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn about the functions and formulas in MS Excel. Someone is waiting in lobby. Just let me. Hetal and Kalyan. बेटा बी टाइम है ना. So, okay, today we will talk about formulas and functions of MS Excel. As we have done one, you can say that is the formula of AutoSum. Yes, you remember it?
Yes,
AutoSum.
Yes, ma'am.
With the help of AutoSum, we can generate a series of number. Now, today's topic is function and formula. You know what is the difference between these two words, functions and formula? These two things we are going to learn ki how we can use functions, also how we can use formulas in MS Excel. Okay, so here Excel make use of formulas. Formula are what? Mathematical expressions that you create, that are known as formula, and the already available expressions which are in MS Excel package, that is already available in Excel package, that are known as functions. So you can directly use that function and you will do your calculation work. So today we are going to learn about formulas and function. Let me allow 2 more people are waiting. 3. Okay. So I'm going to share you my Excel screen first. Yes, you can see it. You can see the Excel screen.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm enlarging it. Okay, now first tell me this, what I have told you, that whenever you want to write any formula in Excel, you have to put which sign? Equal to sign. What you have to put? Equal to sign. Like suppose I have written, yes. Someone is saying something to me? No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Whenever you have to write any formula, what you have to do, you have to put which symbol? Equal to symbol. If you will not put equal to symbol, so what will happen? It will take that number as data. वो आपका formula में नहीं होगा convert. Okay, let me show you this thing by one example. Suppose again let me enter. Okay, so now suppose I have written 2 and then I have used this 3, 2 plus 3. So what I will get? What I will get, student? Will I get 2 plus 3 is equal to 5?
Nothing.
No, I will
No.
not get
No, ma'am.
the sum of these two numbers.
No,
Why? Because what I have told you right now, whenever you want to write any formula, that formula should start with what? Equal to sign. If I will click enter, so what will happen? 2 plus 3 is saved as a data, isn't it? You have seen it now. Now see the changes. What I have done, I have put here equal to sign. Now after this, when I will click enter, so what will happen? 2 plus 3 is what? What is your result? 5. So every formula, whenever you want to write any function, whenever you want to write any formula, you have to put equal to sign. Otherwise, that will not be taken as your formula. That will be considered as the data. So I think it's clear to all. And you know about mathematical operators. We have plus sign. What we have? Plus sign. We have minus sign. 2 plus 3 sign 5. Then we have 2 minus 1 is equal to what? This is minus operator. Then if we will talk about multiplication, so for multiplication in computer, you have to use asterisk sign. Which sign you will use? Asterisk sign. You know, it is asterisk sign. This sign is known as what? Asterisk. Okay, got it? Now you can write any number. Suppose I have written 4. So now what will be the result here? 2 4s are 8. Got it? So first we have used plus operator. You can see it on the here formula bar. First we have used plus operator. Then what we have used? We have used it has changed because my mistake mid gaya hai. 2 plus 3, it's 5. And what is coming here? 1. That means we have used which operator? Minus, 2 minus 1. You can see in the formula bar, isn't it? Now for the third cell, what we have used? We have used asterisk sign, that is used for multiplication. Okay. And then we can use equal to sign 8 divided by, for divided we will use this slash sign, and after that you have written this. So what will happen? What will be the answer? 2. So all these signs, plus, minus, multiplication, division, these are known as mathematical operators. These are the basic mathematical operators. We have many more mathematical operators, but right now I am talking about the basic mathematical operators. So I think this is clear to all. You whenever if you want to use any formula or you have to use any function, you have to put equal to sign. Then only it will consider as your function or formula. Otherwise, if you will not put equal sign, it will be considered as data. It will be considered as data. So I think now all these things are clear to all. Yes, students?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now
Yes, ma'am.
I am writing few numbers. That means I am entering some data here. So I will tell you what is the exact. I will show you the example. Then you will get to know what is the difference between formula and function. Suppose I have written 10 here, and then I am moving forward to next 10. Then I am moving forward to next 10. Then next 10. Okay. Now you want to add these numbers. What do you want to do? You want to add these numbers. So how you will add it? I have already told you the feature auto sum. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But now we are not going to use auto sum feature. I am telling you about the formulas. Okay. And one more thing, you here this is Microsoft 365 version. Okay, so you will get here in menu bar you are getting one option formulas. Okay, when you will click in it, so you will get here auto sum option and many other options are available here that we will study today about sum, average, count number, maximum, minimum, and many more. Okay, now if we are talking about formula, so suppose I have entered here one more number. Now if I want to write the formula for sum, what I want to do, students, what I want to do, I want to write the formula for sum. So how you will write? Okay, who will tell me what is the first and necessary condition for writing formula?
Equal to.
is equal to.
Equal to
Equal
sum.
to
Equal to sum.
Yes, you will put equal to sign. Now I want to add all these numbers. So there are again different ways. First one is what you can do. You can directly write what is the address of this cell. Yes, what is the
A1.
address of cell?
A1.
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 What I have to write?
A1.
I have selected it here. Again, if I will come to this, this is B1, this is C1, this is D1, this is E1, this is F1. Again, there are different ways how you can write it directly. First, select in first cell, and then what you have to do, you have to move your cursor like this. So automatically you can see it is coming here, A1, 5, 1, A1, F1. You can see it.
Yes.
Yes.
So in
Yes,
this
ma'am.
way,
Yes, ma'am.
directly while selecting the particular cell, you can write the range. The range will come automatically. You don't have to write anything. You have to just select the cell and you have to drag it till the last cell. Okay, but now I'm talking about what? I am talking about formula. So if I have to add these numbers, so A1, then I will put which symbol? Plus. Then what is the address of second cell? Who will tell me? The address of second cell is B2. Then again,
B1.
what I will write? B3. Then again, I will not B3. Sorry, we will
C3,
write what?
C1, C1.
C2.
C1.
It's C1, and it is also B1 because row is 1. Okay, getting my
B1, C1.
point? Here the columns are changing, but row is constant. So A1 plus B1. Then next will be C1. Then next will be D1. Then next will be what? E1. Yes. And we have F data also. Then you will put F1. Then after that, when you will click enter, so what will happen? You will get the answer. This is what 60 is what? 60 is the sum of all these numbers. So this thing, what is this which I have written in formula bar? This is known as I am writing formula. That means I am creating it myself. Yes, got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But the same thing,
Yes, ma'am.
we can do with the help of functions. फंक्शंस हमारे लिए बहुत इजी होते हैं बिकॉज दैट आर द इनबिल्ट फीचर. हमें उसमें हमने अभी इफ ये तो हमारा बहुत कम रोज के हम we are adding only few cells, isn't it? But if we have to add a large data and if we will write formula, then again it will be very time taking process. Yes, so for that purpose what we do, we use function. So instead of writing all these things, what I can do, I will come to the next one. Again, I am writing the data. Okay. Now here, if I want to find the sum, so instead of writing the formula, what I am doing, I am directly using the function of sum. What I am doing here, I am directly using the function of sum. How you can use it? First of all, for writing formula or for writing function, first condition, put equal to sign. Okay. Then there is a function name is sum. What is the name? Sum. अगर आपको याद नहीं आता है, you will write the first letter, automatically this drop down menu will come and from there you can select the option what? Sum. Got it? If you have confusion, okay, what is the spelling, is my function spelling is wrong. So if you will write the first character, automatically the drop down menu will come. From there you can select your function. So I have selected here. Now for writing, we have written the name of the function sum. Then you have to use the parenthesis. What do you have to use? Parenthesis. Parenthesis मतलब पता है ना आपका ये जो bracket होता है, आपको वो bracket use करना होता है. Got my point? After that, what do you have to do? Now you don't need to write each and every cell separately ki A3 plus B3 plus C3. No. What do you have to do? Directly come to the starting point from where you have to start your addition. And then you have to just drag your mouse till the last cell. Okay. Now after that, what you can do, you have to close this parenthesis. You have to close this parenthesis and then when you will click, so you will get the addition. So now tell me, which one is easier, writing formula or writing function?
Writing
function.
function.
Writing function. That's why we prefer functions. Okay, but I have told you the method ki how you can do this using formula also. The same thing you can do with the help of sum function. और हमारे पास जो addition का है, that is the easiest one is what? Auto sum. Isn't it? हमारे पास क्या है? Already available है auto sum series. Directly we will select the cell and put that, use that auto sum feature or you will get the addition. Got it? So in G1 cell, what we have used? In G1 cell, we have used formula. In G1 cell, what we have used? Formula. And in G3 cell, what we have used? We have used the what? We have used the function. Copy paste. So now I'm deleting the, okay, no need to delete it. We will come back to the sheet again. Who is waiting? Kiran. After 10 minutes, I am going to take your attendance also. Let everybody join there. Now we will come back to our PPT again. So now come to this PPT second slide. What is written here? Excel make use of formulas. Yes. Okay. So the same thing I have written here, that Excel makes use of formulas, mathematical expressions that you create. And function में हमने क्या किया? हमने function name use किया sum, and we have given the range from where to where we want to find the addition. That means the starting cell and the end cell. So automatically you will get your answer. So that is the difference between formulas and functions. So Excel make use of formulas, mathematical expressions that you create, and functions, mathematical expressions that are already available in Excel to dynamically calculate results from the data available in your worksheet. So I think now these 2 points are clear. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
thing which I have told you, that formula always begin with equal to sign. Don't forget to put equal to sign. क्या होता है जब हम beginners होते हैं ना, हम किसी चीज जैसे Excel के लिए अगर आप beginners हो तो you will write everything correctly कि all the formulas condition. But अगर आप उसमें starting में equal to sign भूल गए हैं तो आपका result you will get error. ठीक है? So don't forget to put equal to sign. That's why I'm showing you this slide, that if you don't enter the equal sign, Excel will treat your entry as a text. जैसे मैंने आपको show किया था 2 + 3, and if you have not written their equal to sign, isn't it? So it was taken by Excel as a data 2 + 3. Now the next is, today we are going to learn about all these functions. Some we have done, yes. Some we have done, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
study about average, max, min. This sum is used to find the addition. Average, you know what is the meaning of average? Average निकालना तो सबको आता है ना? Suppose आपके पास 5
Yes, ma'am.
subjects हैं. Okay, I'm just giving you the formula ki how you have to calculate the average, because you should know the formula. Otherwise, if you don't know the what is the meaning of average, so it will be difficult for you people to understand the function of Excel. So average, I know all of you know, but we are just revising. Suppose we have to find the average of 5 marks, and the total marks are what for each subject are 100. Okay, so how you will find the average of that? Average, how you will find marks obtained in that 5 subject divided by total. 5 subject है, 100 के हैं, तो आप किससे divide करेंगे? You will divide it with by which number? बोलो.
5.
5.
500.
5.
Isn't it? Or max means, yes, good. Max means what? To find the maximum. That means if you have a series of data and you want to find the greater number, which one is the greater number? So with the help of max function, you can find the greater number. And now here it is min, that means minimum, the smallest number. And then next we have what? We have square root. If you want to find the square root of any number, you can use this function and you can write that function. You will get the square root of that function. And we will do it one by one. I am just showing you which functions today we will cover. Okay. And then it is count. That means how many numbers you have entered that you have to count. Then you will use count option. And for today, you can find out the date. What is the date of today by using this function. And then with the help of now also, you can find the date of today's function, but with the time. You will get the time also. जब आप ये function use करेंगे तो it will show you the time also. And these are the 2 options in count A. That I will tell you when we will do it, because otherwise you will be confused. Count only counts the number. Suppose if you have entered 10 number, okay, that all data should be in number, then only it will count. But suppose some alphabet also written and you want to count only alphabet. So in that case, you have to write count A. Count is used to count number. Count A is used to count alphabets. Okay. And count blank is used to count the blank cell. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने एग्जाम नहीं दिया, we put dash blank. So if you want to count that particular cell, so you can use count blank option. Okay. And then next one is concatenate. You know what is the meaning of concatenate? Anyone? No? Okay, if you don't know, then
No,
you can frankly say no, ma'am. Okay, it's okay. ऐसा नहीं है कि
No,
हमें
ma'am.
हर चीज we will know, है ना? So concatenate means concatenation word मतलब क्या होता है? When we want to merge 2 words. जैसे suppose कभी हमारे पास ऐसा data होता है कि we have to merge we have written first name, middle name and last name. But we have to merge what? We have to merge all these 3 names. Then what we will use? We will use concatenate. If you want to merge only first name and last name, then also you can use this concatenate function. Okay? For merging the words. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute. Let me come back to the screen. think all of you have joined now because I am going to take your attendance. Yes? Okay, we will wait for 5 minutes more after that. So first entering function. Right now, which function we have used? अभी हमने कौन सा function use किया था? We have used sum function. So now, keeping that function in mind, just go through these lines. Then it will be very clear for you. That's why first I showed you the example. तो फिर आपको ये इसका जो है sentence clear होगा. कि functions differ from the regular formulas in that after the equal sign, you supply the cell addresses. Yes, you supply the cell addresses but not the arithmetic operator. हमने arithmetic operator use किया था when we have written function? No. What we have used, we have given the cell addresses over there in case of sum. But when we are using formula, then what we are doing, we are using mathematical operators. तो वही जो हम cell reference देते हैं specific values कहलाती है, that are called arguments. Okay. Now let me again show you my Excel screen. And one more thing, children, look here. This sign, you can see it. The cursor is changed into plus. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to select the entire sheet, अगर आपको क्या करना है, if you want to select the, and you know how to select the entire column. All of you know how to select the entire column? Please give me the answer. If you have any confusion or doubt, I can repeat it. Okay. So I think जितना मैंने पढ़ाया है उसके according all of you know how to select the entire sheet and how to select the entire row and entire column. If you want to select the entire column, you will click the column heading. If you want to select the entire row, you will click the row heading. But if I want to select the entire worksheet, so this first cell, you have to click here. So what will happen? The entire sheet will be selected. Got it? And again, if you want to deactivate it, you have to click here again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So now what I am telling you, 10, next is 10, 20, 30, and 40. So we have used sum function. If you are using sum, then what we have done right now, you will write sum and then parenthesis, you will give the cell addresses. You have given the cell addresses, close it, you will get the answer. So that is written कि whenever you write any function, you have to pass the arguments. जो हमने ये cell address दिए हैं, ये आपको लिखना जरूरी है. If you will write only sum and then you will click, so you will not get anything. You will get error. So you have to mention the address of that particular cell from where you want to start and where you want to end. Okay. Now we come to I will tell you one more thing. Yes, first I will share the screen. Here it is written sum function used to add several cells together. This is clear to all, and we have to write the range A3 to A6. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
But suppose I have written here one more 20, 30, 50, 60, and then what I am doing here 10, and then if I will put equal to sign sum, you are writing what is the cell number of A2, isn't it? A2 to this, what is the address of this cell? A2. And
A3 मैम।
A3 मैम।
नहीं, आई नो कि यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ना, मैं आपको एक दूसरा इसमें फॉर्मेट करके दिखा रही हूँ कि वी कैन डू इन दिस वे ऑल्सो, ठीक है? दैट इज क्लियर, वो तो मैं आपको समझा चुकी हूँ ना फर्स्ट में कि इफ यू वांट टू ऐड दीज लाइंस हाउ यू विल ऐड, वो तो आपको बताती है ना बेटा, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट रिपीटिंग इट. This is suppose if you want to add this, so directly you will select it and you will get the answer after closing the parenthesis. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes मैम।
Yes मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
And then when you will select this, तो वो तो सेम हो गया आपका, ऊपर की तरह जो आपने फॉर्मूला यूज किया, यू कैन ड्रैग इट ऑल्सो. आपने यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया ना, तो यू विल ड्रैग इट, सो द सेम फॉर्मूला विल अप्लाई टू रेस्ट ऑफ द रोज ऑल्सो. दैट ऑल्सो आई ऑलरेडी टॉट यू. यस, वो भी आपको बता चुकी हूँ ना मैं, ठीक है?
Yes,
नाउ
ma'am.
व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू कि सपोज वी आर राइटिंग हियर सम एंड देन व्हाट आई हैव रिटन, व्हाट इज द सेल एड्रेस ऑफ दिस? A2. Okay, and then what is the cell address
A2.
of this? This is F2 na. Okay, let me A2 and then you have written F2. Okay, and then we are putting this comma sign, and then what is the cell address of this 20?
A3.
A3 is to, what is the cell address? F.
F3।
What? Who will tell me? क्या समझ में आया फॉर्मूले से? Look here. अभी तक हमने आपको एडिशन सिखाया था, ओनली स्ट्रेट लाइन और, लेकिन वी कैन चेंज द, है ना? सो वी हैव गिवन द, वी हैव चेंज द सेल एड्रेसेस. हम एक साथ बहुत सारे, इफ वी हैव till 15-20 rows, so we can add that if we want to get the total of that all rows, so that also you can get it with the help of sum function. हमने क्या किया, हमने ये जो आपका वो आया है ना, ये आपका इन सब पूरे सेल्स का टोटल आया है, ठीक है? फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग. गॉट माय पॉइंट? समझ में आई
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
बात? तो
Yes,
इसका मतलब
ma'am.
ये क्या है कि अगर हमें डिफरेंट रेंज भी सेलेक्ट करने हैं, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम फंक्शन वी कैन डू इट. आई विल लार्ज इट सो इट विल बी क्लियर टू यू पीपल, ठीक है? ये वी कैन यूज दिस सम फंक्शन, एंड if we are changing the references cell address, so you have to put comma sign. What you have to put? Comma sign. Got it? Got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
So in this way you can use some functions. And one more thing कि अगर directly आपको use करना है equal to, you have put sum, और आप directly you are passing number, suppose 5,5. So what will be the answer here? 10.
10.
आपने कोई डाला, you have directly put, you have directly entered the data. So in that way also sum will work. तो मैंने sum के 3 तरीके से working बता दिए है. Okay, directly you can enter data, you can change the cell references, you can take 2 different cell references together and add. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Students, are you getting it?
Okay ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes,
let me-
ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, okay. Let me download your attendance. So who will tell me how you can use max function? Max का सोच के बताइए कि how you will apply max function. You have notepad with you? Yes, student,
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
notepad with you.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
write down.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you want to find, listen, what I'm saying, if you want to find maximum number in the cell range from A1 to A10. So what will be the formula? बस आप सिर्फ फॉर्मूला बताइए. मैक्सिमम नंबर you have to find, that means you have to find the greater number from cell A1 to A10. So what will be the formula for max?
Ma'am, equal to max.
Bracket
A1 is to
A10.
One by one. First tell your name and then tell me the answer. Okay, beta?
ma'am Kruti here is equal to max, then parenthesis A1 is to A10. फिर parenthesis.
Okay. Just a minute. Today my system, there is problem in my system ना, it's hanging. ये बार-बार hang हो रहा है. Okay, I think this sum function is clear to all, isn't it? So we will go to
Yes, ma'am.
next
Yes, ma'am.
one. That is your average function. So you know the formula of average? Just a minute, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, huh? Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, now tell me if you want to find the average. Here 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the numbers. ये हटा देते हैं बड़ा number, then it will be easy for you to remind. So how you will write the formula? कौन मुझे answer बोलेगा? You will tell me and then I will write it. Yes. First, who will tell me the formula for average?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
बोलिए. Who is tell? First tell your name and then give me the answer.
This is Ankit, ma'am.
Loudly.
This is Ankit, ma'am.
हाँ, अंकित बोलिए.
Is equal to
Yes.
average. नीचे से
देखो
function
मैं
select कर
लिख रही हूँ, बट मैं इसलिए लिख रही हूँ कि आपको बता रही हूँ कि कैसे you will get in drop down list, है ना? You got the formula in drop down list? Yes. And
Yes,
sometime if you forget the syntax, you know what is the meaning of syntax? जैसे हम इंग्लिश में यूज करते हैं verb, noun, these what are that are the syntax of English language. अगर आपको कोई भी लैंग्वेज यूज करनी है तो you should know the rules, you should know the grammar of that particular language. Yes. So if you want to use, either if you want to use English, you want to use Hindi, you want to use Gujarati, you should know the grammar of that particular language. So similarly, for working with computer, you should know the syntax. हम grammar को computer की language में क्या कहते हैं? We should know the syntax of that particular language. तो हमें अगर कभी हम वो syntax भूल जाते हैं तो आप देखिए इस drop down menu में वो आपको सब बता रहा है कि how you have to put the arguments. Got it? तो आप यहाँ पे क्या करोगे? एवरेज क्या लिखोगे? आपको आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू विल पुट parenthesis. आपने क्या पुट किया? You have put parenthesis and then what will be the address?
A1.
Directly we will select it. A to 2, isn't it? मैंने लिखा नहीं, आप भी you have to select in this way only. And then what you have to do? You have to close this parenthesis. If you will not close this parenthesis, you will get an error. Okay. After that, what you have to do? You have to click enter. So what you will get? You will get average of these numbers. What you will get? Average of these numbers. Yes. Now the next function was, I think I have discussed about max. Okay, so I am showing it here only because otherwise again we have to go into PPT. So I have written here 100, then next is 30, 30, 90, 85, 200 and 150. Now if you have to find maximum, which one is the greater number? Again, what you will do? You will click here. You will put which sign? You will put equal sign, and then you have to use which formula? Max. It is written max. Okay, it is written here max. Yes. So you have to write it, and then you have to put the parenthesis, and then you have to select the range. What you have to select? Range. How you
Range.
check? Put the cursor in the first cell and then drag down your cursor if you have to. Your data is in vertical way. Then you have to close the parenthesis. What you have to do? You have to close the parenthesis. So what you will get? What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes.
200.
200.
So which number is greater? 200. So you got your answer
200.
200. Yes. Okay.
200.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
suppose
Yes, ma'am.
again I have selected this. Not first we have done max formula. Now we are doing what? Min formula. If you have to find the smallest number, again the process will remain same. You have to just change the name of the function. What do you have to do? You have to just change the name of the function. You will put equal to sign. Now instead of max, what you will write?
Minimum.
Max, you have written min.
Min.
Again,
Min.
you have to specify, you have to
MIN.
give the, yes, good. You have to give the range of the cell we have selected and this one. So what will be the answer? What should be the answer? इसमें से आपका minimum number कौन सा है?
10.
10.
What you got? क्या मिला आपको? 10.
10.
Now sum is clear. Sum function is clear. Max function is clear. Min function is clear. Yes.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, first, what I want. Now, all of you first write down function of sum for these selected row. You have to write down in your notepad the function for sum, function for min, function for max. Write it down. पूछूंगी आपसे कि किसने क्या लिखा है. Okay. You got my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I am showing you, just see it. You have to write function for, sum, function for min, function for max, and one more function for average. Also. We have done average also. So you have to write function for average also. And those who have written, na, tell me, ki, ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Should I show you?
Yes,
Look,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
please.
It didn't get.
Now it's visible. You have to write function for sum, min, max, and average. Okay.
For these values, ma'am.
हाँ, for these the selected row. आप लोग एक बार row, you just write down the cell address and after that write down the functions. So can I minimize this screen for 2 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
और I can
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
anybody. मैं किसी से भी पूछूंगी. अब मैं इसलिए वो देख रही हूँ
Yes,
नहीं.
ma'am.
Okay. Because I'm giving you 2 minutes more. Just write it and then I will ask. Yes, who has written? पहले वो बता दो, फिर मैं आपको नेम से कॉल आउट करने वाली हूँ.
मैंने लिख लिया मैम.
ओके, और
Written, ma'am.
किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम, कंफ्यूजन? सबसे मेन चीज है कि
लिख लिया.
कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है माइंड में कि हाउ वी हैव टू राइट.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ओके, श्रुति. श्रुति, unmute yourself. Shruti, can you hear me? Shruti? Yes, Shruti can hear me? Yes, rest of you can hear me, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So where is
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti?
Yes, ma'am. Shruti Mekwan.
Okay, beta. Will you tell the answer? Shruti, beta, बताओगे?
Yes,
Will
ma'am.
try? ठीक है?
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
to try. It doesn't matter कि whether it's correct or wrong. It's okay, but you have to try. Okay. आप किसके लिए
okay,
function?
ma'am.
आप कौन सा function बताएंगे?
Some.
Sum. Okay, just बोलिए. I'm writing here. चलो, बोलो बेटा. Yes.
Equal to some.
Equal to sum. Very good. Good.
Bracket.
Shruti. Huh?
Bracket.
Parenthesis. Yes. Okay.
Select C7 to J7.
Okay. It's correct. Yes. It's correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes,
तो
Yes,
अभी
ma'am.
when you will do it practically now, you don't have to write the cell address. You have to just select it and automatically it will come to the formula place, function place. But you should know the concept. Concept में problem नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम cell में कौन सा select कर रहे हैं. Because when you will do it practically ना, then you don't have to see. You can directly take it from your sheet. आप उसको select करेंगे तो automatically the address will come, isn't it? But the concept should clear. इसलिए मैंने आपको लिखवाया कि आपको concept clear होना चाहिए कि how we have to address the cell name. Is that clear to all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think now who will
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me about max? Yes, now
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Rashmi is just a minute beta, she is waiting in lobby. Why? Abhi so time is already over. Okay, who? Ayush. Yes, Ayush. 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 Ayush, can hear me? Beta, you have to be active in class, isn't it? ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कर लोगे, it's very easy. जब तक whenever you have to practice. Okay. Ayush नहीं है? Ayush, can you hear me? Ayush. So, Deepak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you will tell me formula for mix. Some we have already done. Now you want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
give answer for which formula? You just tell me yourself. You want to give answer me for which formula?
Ma'am, average.
Average. Okay, tell me. You just
Ma'am.
tell me. I will listen. Huh?
Equals to
Very good.
average.
Yes. Good. Yes, you are correct. बोलिए बेटा आगे. No? Or he is disconnected. I don't know. Okay, who will tell me?
May I, ma'am?
Deepak. Just a minute.
OTP
हाँ,
कोड
हाँ बोलिए दीपक, फिर से बोलिए बेटा. Okay, who else want to give answer? Just tell me yourself. Give your tell your name. Okay.
May I?
Minal?
Okay, first Deepa, then I will ask another formulas to you. Okay, Deepa, चलिए बताइए.
यस मैम.
हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
मैम कौन सा?
सम हो गया है एवरेज.
एवरेज में इक्वल टू एवरेज, फिर पैरेंथेसिस ओपनिंग और उसके बाद C7 से ड्रैग करके J7 तक करके और लास्ट में पैरेंथेसिस क्लोज कर देना है और एंटर करने से वैल्यू आ रही है
ओके, वेरी गुड बेटा.
65.125.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, और अगर आपको बोलना होगा फॉर्मूला तो वी नो कि व्हेन वी विल डू इट प्रैक्टिकली वी विल ड्रैग इट, है ना. वी कैन टेक द सेल एड्रेस बाय ड्रैगिंग द माउस, बट व्हेन यू विल से द फॉर्मूला यू कैन से इक्वल टू एवरेज parenthesis start, then the address of first cell is C7 colon sign, and then next is your last cell address, that is what? J7. Okay.
7.
Okay, so in this way, and then parenthesis close. After clicking enter, you will get the answer. So I think now these things are clear to you people. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now count two more functions are left. Yeah, count two more functions are left. So that we will take in another class. Okay, because from 3 o'clock orientation will start. So today I will end your class right now. वैसे time तो हो ही गया है. But that two functions, that two parts of count function, we will take in another class. Okay, I will take in another class. Done? Okay. So practice the
Okay,
work
ma'am.
whatever you are doing. Practice it, then you will perfect in Excel. Okay, so take care of yourself. Bye. Now I am leaving the meeting. Okay, beta? और जिन्होंने टाइम टेबल नहीं ड्रॉ किया है, टाइम टेबल नहीं क्रिएट किया एक्सेल में, प्लीज क्रिएट इट एंड कीप द सॉफ्ट कॉपी विथ यू. ओके.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Good. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.